Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V70, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you'll first want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up boot options. And here from the options, swipe the first one on the top to the right, let go, and this will turn off the device. Give it like 5 seconds after it turns off, and then hold power button and volume up again, and let go of the power button once you see the Vivo logo. This will take us to the Fastboot mode first. So in here we actually need to, using volume buttons, select recovery mode. So pressing volume down will navigate down. And when it's selected, press the power button to confirm it. Again, this will take us to the recovery mode first, which is, well, technically second now, which is not what we're looking for, but our safe mode is located in there. So there we go. And you can see right here we have enter safe mode options. I'm going to just click on it. It gives you a quick message. Enter safe mode. Only system features and apps are available in safe mode. Restart your device to enter safe mode. Yes, we're going to click on OK. Now it's cut out just a little bit through the curvature of the display, but you can kind of see it right here, safe mode. Now in this mode, like the message stated, only the applications that come with the device will function. So if we open up Google folder even, you can see there's a bunch of applications that will no longer run in this mode. And you can quickly define which is which by the fact that the ones that don't run look now gray and kind of dim. So some of them are things like Drive, Google TV, YouTube Music, Google One, everything on here, and a lot of applications on the second page. So any application that you installed yourself will fall under this category, that you cannot use it in this mode. And in certain cases, some of the default applications do as well, as some of these applications download themselves while you're going through the setup process when you connect to network. So those applications also fall under that category. And to explain what the purpose of this is, if you maybe are an app developer, as an example, and you create some kind of application that you're testing out and something went horribly wrong, that application basically messes about how you can use your device, and you can't use it because it's screwing it up too much. Now, by booting your device into safe mode, you essentially are preventing this application from being able to start itself up and do anything. Therefore, you can, I don't know, delete it or manage it, fix it, whatever you think is the appropriate course of action. Now, once you're done, you can go back to the normal mode by pressing the power button and volume up again. And this time around, we're just going to swipe the second option, swipe to restart, just like we did before, and this will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it will enter the normal mode. Now there's also one more thing that we need to keep in mind once we get in there into the normal mode, which I'm going to point out once the device is up. You can see the device is back up, and oh, surprisingly, wait. Oh wow, okay, never mind, we don't need to do anything extra. Props to Vivo for actually doing this. So I was going to show you that you need to turn off the airplane mode, which is enabled by default when you enter safe mode. And on, at this point, every other device that I have shown this on, airplane mode stays when you boot back up into normal mode. Vivo turns it off, so you don't need to do anything extra. Props. Good design. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.